morning guys, welcome back. Today it's pretty hard to make this video because everything is going wrong. Okay, bad thing number one. We are destroying this place. Yes, because we are cutting a lot of trees in the path. We are cutting a lot of plants. So at the end, I think will not remain anything. Just for make money. Yes, because near here there is a company for horse renting, and so for the tourists, and they walk with the horses around the lake. So nothing. They are cutting everything for passing the horses. Unbelievable. I don't know if it's legal. If it's legal, I don't know. But I want to inform myself. I want to understand better the situation. If they can nothing like that. Anyway, after that, I came here later, too later, and birds have seen me. So now they are super far. I'm using the Tragopan hockey photo blind to stay low at the same level of the water, but I don't know. So finger crossed. It's not a good day in any sense. Okay, see you later. And now, as always, it's only a game of patience. Okay, so far there are some goats and anything else. I'm hearing some other birds, but I don't understand what. I've also seen, yes, maybe a great grable. Yes, if I remember well. Wait a moment. Fantastic, there was the grey wagtail. There is again, yes, beside the photo blind, but it's too close to me. I can't focus it. Unbelievable. Super nice. It was in front of me. Yes, unbelievable. What a magic moment. I hope the GoPro is recording the audio because I will crazy with this stuff. Useless stuff. The batteries don't take anything. The sun is coming and I think it's going to be hot. Indeed, I'm just starting sweating. Yes. And I'm really, really uncomfortable. Lay down in this way. For my back, it's a pain. It sounds like a woodpecker. Yeah. Yes. Back to the photo blind. There was a turtle with the head outside the water. It was breathing. Nice. A goat. It's eating. Okay guys, after many hours under the sun, there is nothing. Even because there is a lot of people here walking around the lake, so birds tend to stay far from the shore, and so far I didn't manage to capture anything. Just the grey wagtail or wigtail, I don't know the pronunciation. So I don't know. I've opened the photo blind just for having more hair, because here is scorching. It's too hot inside the photo blind, and even because there is nothing in front of me. So I don't know if make a small hike around here and to see to try to see something. I don't know. Okay, not so far from here, but it's a little bit. But if I go closer, if I go near, I think it's fly away. So I don't know what to do. Okay, actually it's not the best the best time for scouting, neither the best hours, the best hour. But as always say, it's better than nothing. Another couple of bee eaters, yes. So maybe they moved here at the beginning, during the spring. Maybe they moved here from the main field where they made the nest at least 2 years ago, before the lockdown in 2020. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, because the last time I photographed, I saw them was before the COVID-19. So now, after 2 years, maybe they have changed area for making the nest around here. But maybe a bird of prey, yes, flying. For today is all. I hope I'm better for next time, where maybe I'll be able to take some good picture, and not find people walking everywhere. So take care, see you next time, bye bye.